Hi, it's Damien from Fine & Country and I'm here today at Lower Brownspit Farm, located in the picturesque parish of Morwenstow. The property itself is a 4-bedroom detached home, 3 bathrooms. The property also benefits from the adjoined shippen, featuring an open plan lounge bedroom kitchenette with an ensuite shower room. This welcoming entrance hall was a recent addition by the current owners. Welcome inside Lower Brownspit Farm. The property is entered on the first floor. Please do come on in and look at this wonderfully modern kitchen. The generous sized kitchen dining room features a range of integral appliances, which include an electric oven and microwave, an induction hob, 2 fridges and 2 freezers, and a dishwasher. The stunning picture windows provide further views across the gardens to the sea beyond. Directly off of the kitchen, there is this beautiful triple aspect day room with access to the balcony, overlooking the expansive gardens, rural countryside, right across to the sea and Lundy Island. The balcony provides a wonderful space to sit and enjoy a refreshing cup of afternoon tea, whilst overlooking the expansive lawn gardens, woodland, which stretches to approximately 2 acres, also featuring expansive off-road parking, a useful outbuilding providing useful storage space and an addition of a carport. Completing the first floor accommodation are 2 double bedrooms, one of which features its own ensuite shower room. On the ground floor, there is this cosy living room with a stone feature fireplace and wood-burning stove. The ground floor also features 2 double bedrooms, each of which feature their own ensuite. This principal bedroom has a characterful feature with the clone oven in the corner. It features an expansive dressing room and its own ensuite, which is full of some individual character. A useful addition to the property is the shippen, an open plan lounge bedroom kitchenette with its own ensuite shower room. The shippen provides a fantastic space for overflow accommodation, but also as a unique opportunity to generate some additional income. If you have any questions about this property, please do give us a call in the office. Our number 01288 389 848.